Just barely.
What's up, YouTube? Primo Reviews here. Going to do the Magento 12-piece soldering and iron stand review. Can't beat it. 12 and 1. Get you some.
Where do you get that at?
I guess you got it off Amazon. He's going to have to edit that out because I said Primo Review. Damn, that is not bad.
Pretty dope. Pretty dope.
Where's these wire strippers?
On Stokes, get some freaking.
Wire strippers. Damn.
You are?
I'm gonna go get some super glue, right?
You want me to super glue?
Solder sucker. Solder stand. Wire strippers. Solder pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 soldering tips. 2 spare wires, negative and positive. Tweezers, solder, soldering iron, and your nifty carrying case for all your airsoft soldering needs. Buy today from Airsoft Tyros in the description below.
You're gonna buy Airsoft Tyros is now manufacturing soldering equipment.
Yeah.
Are you going to Stokes?
No, I'm gonna go down here to the bowling alley.
Can you grab me some?
You going to the wing?
Yeah, from the bowling alley.
I mean, like a Tums or something.
What? Tums? Because that's gonna last for what, 30 seconds?
That's all I need, bro. I just need enough.
Are you
to
gonna
fall.
pass out?
Huh?
Are you gonna pass out?
I just need enough to be able to go to sleep.
He's freaking doinking on me,
Going
dude.
out of his mind.
It must be.
Seriously,
Sleepy, sleepy. They should have super glue down there, I guess.
I don't care about the super glue.
They definitely do Dollar General.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna go down there because I figured I could drive this far.
Let me know before you leave and I'll give you some money.
Give me some money, I'm
That's
on
close
now.
for Dollar General.
That?
Just off this.
Yeah.